So I'm going to draw an underwater picture with a crab, a shark, and a fish, but you can add any other details you would like. So to start with, I'm going to draw a big wave line at the top of my paper. That's how we'll know that we are underwater. I'm going to do a little bit of sand at the bottom. Going to add some seaweed. And I'm going to add my crab. I'm going to add an oval. On that oval, I'm going to put 3 little lines for legs here, 3 little lines for legs on the other side. Now I'm going to give him his claws. I'm going to go 1, 2 circles on that side, 1, 2 circles on that side. Then I'm going to draw a U on each of those. I'm going to draw a V in the middle of those U's. Those are his claws. I'm going to give him 2 eyes, and I'm going to do little lines first, and then circles with dots in them on top of those. And because it's a cartoon, I'm going to give him a really big smiley face. Nice job. Okay, now I'm going to do a little fish. There's lots of ways to draw fishes. This is just how I'm going to do it. I give him a tail, 1 gill, an eye, a mouth. I'm going to give him some fins. Nice job. Now I'm going to do a shark. I'm going to do kind of like a flat pancakey kind of shape. But I'm not going to connect it at the end. Then I'm going to come out for the tail. I'm going to come back in. So there's my shark tail. I'm going to give him 3 gills, backwards C's. I'm going to go 1, 2, 3. I'm going to give him a mouth. So I'm just going to make a little line here. I'm going to give some teeth, little V's across there. Okay, I'm going to give him just a little circle eye. You can give him a cartoon eye, a cuter little eye. I'm going to give him his fin. So it kind of went backwards like a rainbow and then came back down for that. I'm going to give him 2 little fins down there. So you could obviously add any more details you would like, more animals. I'm going to draw some bubbles here. You could draw little word bubbles. You could draw some octopus, some jellyfish. Think about other things that might live under the water. Awesome. Have fun.